Hey beautiful people, hope you're all well. Welcome to this light language transmission. The focus of today is joy and laughter. Now, you're all probably familiar with the practice of laughter yoga. The reason why this is so popular is because laughter raises your vibration and frequency. So it can bring lightness to your soul and your emotional body. So when we laugh, when we generate that feeling of joy, you get a sense of elevation and expansion. There's a feeling of more aliveness. And when you have this inner feeling of more aliveness and joy is radiating from you, then your physical body starts to react. So many people have aided their rehabilitation from illness by watching comedy videos and getting into that state of free flow laughter. So sit back and enjoy this transmission. deep breath in and breathe out. So, may your day be filled with joy and laughter. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you like. And I'll see you in another video sometime soon.